Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone lag after iOS 27 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and now your iPhone is lagging, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage, and from here you have to simply make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and if it is full then delete some useless data and go to apps and remove the useless apps from your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to background app refresh and turn on the toggle for those apps which you don't use frequently. So guys, do this, and after this go back and go to date and time, set your date and time, and then go to language and region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device as well. Again go back and now you have to simply go to apps, and from here tap on your profile and then go to app updates and update all your apps from here as well. Tap on update all and update all your apps, and after this go back and give a force restart to your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.